I am Ignacio. Today we're gonna hike to the top of Josephine Peak. This spot is about 40 minutes from Los Angeles in the San Gabriel Mountains. It's at the intersection of Angeles Crest Highway and Angeles Forest Highway. Right here there's an information center that I think they're gonna open on weekends. I'm not 100% sure. There's restrooms and also there's gonna be a machine where you can buy your parking pass. That is called National Forest Adventure Pass. You need that to park anywhere in the San Gabriel Mountains, Angeles National Forest, and Los Padres. It's $5 for 1 day and $30 for 1 year. This machine is not working yet, but soon, hopefully it will. For now, you can buy it at where you usually get them, which are sports stores and 7-Eleven stores near the mountains. On the description of the video, I'm going to leave lots of information too. That over there is the intersection that I just showed you a minute ago. Down the road a few yards, you will find a fire station that is called Clear Creek Station. Park your car on the side of the road, and across from the road you will find the trailhead. Today's hike is about 8 miles total, with an elevation gain of 2,000 feet or so. It is considered to be moderate to difficult. If you're a beginner hiker and you are ready for the next step, this place is perfect for you because the trail is actually a fire road that you will follow all the way, and it's easy to follow. I recommend you bring a friend with you, bring plenty of water, and don't do this on the summertime. There is no shade at all, it's very exposed, and it gets really hot. You will be risking yourself to dehydration. My recommendation is to do it during the cooler months or when it's cloudy. It's much more enjoyable. Keep an eye on the weather, and when they mention that the marine layer from the coast is going to cover most of Los Angeles and the mountain is going to be sunny in the 60s or 70s, that's when it's perfect to come. That way you will be hiking above the clouds. I will show you in a moment. On my videos, I always explain step by step with lots of information on how to get to many places. If this is your first time watching my videos, please subscribe and activate that little bell. That way you will not miss any of my adventures. Thank you so much for your support. In about 1 mile into the hike, you start to get views of the beautiful mountains around this place. One of the most popular ones here is Strawberry Peak, that one over there. I actually have a video about how to get to that one too. Click on the link if you'd like to watch it. In about 1.3 miles into the hike, we're gonna get to this spot where we're gonna do about 7 or 8 long switchbacks. Just go slow, take your time, and enjoy every moment of it. To me, that's what hiking is all about. After the long switchbacks, we're gonna find the saddle and another trail that connects Strawberry Peak and Josephine Peak, as well as Colby Canyon. That way. Probably I will come back during the winter time after a snowstorm to see how it looks. Stay tuned. From this point, you also start getting views of the northern face of this range. From now, we're going to continue to the left. From this point, we're going to go that way for another 2 or 3 long switchbacks on the other side of the range. And it's actually the only part that you might find some shade if you start hiking around 6 or 7 in the morning. Remember, it's not a good idea to hike here in the middle of the day during the summertime. Most of the rescues that happen here by search and rescue are due to people dehydrating. Don't be one of them. And we made it. This is Josephine Peak. From this spot, you get the amazing views of 360 degrees of Angeles National Forest and the San Gabriel Mountains, as well as the city of Los Angeles, the Pacific Ocean, and even Catalina Island on a clear day. Today was very cloudy, so all the city is covered by clouds, but it's still very beautiful. Isn't this just beautiful? I took a break, got some snacks, and enjoyed watching the clouds playing with the mountains. I love cloudy days like this. When I was at the top, it felt like about 72 degrees. And once I passed the switchbacks on the way out, it got cloudy and cool again. It felt like 60 degrees. I loved it so very much. Angeles National Forest and the San Gabriel Mountains are just an hour away from Los Angeles. Come and explore. We have so many amazing trails with beautiful landscapes. As always, leave no trace behind. If you visit, please take your trash with you and clean after your pets. Let's keep these places beautiful and clean for everyone's enjoyment. At the end of this video, I'm going to leave a link to a playlist of the most beautiful hiking trails of Angeles National Forest and the San Gabriel Mountains. Click on the link to watch them. Thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.